So, từng đây nó cái em giờ phải mất xã rồi, cả nữa nhở, cái mình đang làm mình là keynote speaker. Bây giờ ta phải to say là cái whether pop here, whether Papa Yachi, Kunaya, one of the other places. And that talk is to say, okay, giờ đi muốn cùng chọn châu là thì họ đi rồi, giờ đi thay đũa, họ đi không thay đũa mà nữa, okay. Cú sát họ mà đi đó, giờ thay đũa mà đi rất rồi, đi tỏ bê một năm ta chỉ biết mà thay đó, để họ ở bên mức họ respect, mất tất kỳ cùng tì nó thế, thì ta đi giáo sư nên theo tâm lý chút chơi sầu mà. Sao khó vấn đề nhớ tàu tư dữ vì thì phải từ speaker vấn đề nó rồi ít từ phải sập bao đi ra, surprise vấn đề từ đi sập bao đi mà giờ đi tới nó cũng theo cái vấn đề nhóm tư dữ phải tài toàn được giờ đi các con có duy sự lo, okay? Mà giờ mình làm sao học vấn đề to say now to all the youth and the children. Please, at this moment, we request that you settle down, pay attention, and listen. We have something special for you, okay? Bây giờ mình nói cho nó có thể nó tôi phải từ con chú sinh tôi sẽ phải từ keynote speaker như thế rồi tôi phải xin phép đồng chí chúng ta sẽ đi trong quán trong bao trong nọ thế nào nhé. Come on, lovely guy. We can do better than that, right? Happy New Year!
Most of you probably already know me, but maybe half of you do not know me. My name is Deacon Ntsias Yaj. We are Hmong Today, I probably will speak mostly in English because what I will say for us adults, we already been through and experiencing. But the younger one, they have no clue, they have no idea what we have been through. So today the topic is, in the 50 years of fleeing from the communists, what have the Hmong Catholics been doing and how are we going to be in the future? Before I start, in honor of Father Ntsias Yaj, Father Deacon, Father Roberto Respolo, and Father Daniel Taye, let us bow our head in remembrance of them and their service to the Hmong community Catholic. Father Ntsias Yaj is the first French missionary priest that comes to town and bring Christ to all of us Hmong. Even though there are other Italian priests or missionaries also came, but the majority or all the credit goes to or Father Ntsias. After the war, we moved to Thailand, and Father Daniel Deal is the one who comes to visit us in the refugee camp. Also bring the love of Christ to all of us. And when we got to the U.S., Father Daniel Taye in Minnesota, and Father Umberto Despo, in Fresno, has watched over us, brought us Christ to all the Hmong Catholics, and made us grow. As you know, in 1975, Laos fell into the Pathet Lao, a communist party supported by North Vietnam, which has caused a lot of Hmong who supported the young American pirates and protect the North Vietnamese Ho Chi Minh Trail to the south. And also, a lot of us who have been converted into Christianity because the communists hate Westerners, and those people like us, the Catholic, the Christian, who follow Western way. So fear of persecution, most of us fled country and settled in Thailand in refugee camp. Like where I came from, Bangkok. A lot of you came from Nanyang. A lot of you also came from Sophuong. A lot of you came from Penang. And these are just a few refugee camps that you were settled. As of today, but after that, a lot of us were settled or resettled into the countries like the U.S., Canada, France, Argentina. But the majority of the Hmong Catholic is here in the U.S. Before 1975, the growth of Hmong Catholics are growing, but without a written language, everything was growing very slow. And between 1951 and 1953, Dr. Smout and Dr. Berman, and with Father Ntsias Yaj and all the Hmong collaborators, create a new Hmong reading writing system using the Romanized alphabet, which is the English alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, Because of the loyal laws prohibit Hmong to use these, and they have their own way using the Lao national language, which is very unpopular and very difficult for Hmong to learn. since we fled the country in 1975, the Hmong language, which is now called the Hmong Catholicism, began to grow exponentially. So everyone started to learn Hmong language in reading, in writing. And we start doing reading and writing in Hmong, using the Hmong language, the Hmong campaign, in Bible study, in religious education. And so now, majority of Hmong, especially us adults, do know how to read and write Hmong. I personally witness how easy the Hmong system is. I have an uncle who is about 60 years old, never had school, never had study. He learned the Hmong campaign 1 week, just 1 week, and he was able to read, write in the Hmong campaign. Now, what about us Hmong Catholic in Sacramento? According to what I talked to Hmong Catholic Sacramento started in 1986 with about 10 families and was having Mass in Father Larry's living room. And they've been doing this for 2 years. After that, they moved to the Diocese Center in Broadway. After they moved to the Broadway for 2 years, then they moved, the number grew to about 15 to 20 families. In 1993, the group was moved to St. Francis, and they have Mass in the chapel, not the church, but in the chapel. The group stayed there for 2 years and then moved to St. Peter down the street, which closed down in 2011, and become now St. Peter Home. Then in around 2004 or 5, the group moved to Almost. Now, currently, from the 80s, we have about 10 to 15 families of Hmong Catholic. But today, we have about 130 families together. So the number has grown a lot. In Sacramento alone, we have 4 deacons. We have Deacon Deacon, who passed away. We have Deacon Jose, which is here today. We have Deacon Bangtu, is also here today. And myself, the baby deacon, Georgia. So we have, how about the growth of Hmong Catholic in the U.S.? We currently have 15 deacons in the U.S. and 2 priests. So 8 deacons from California, 1 from Washington, Seattle, and 2 from Minnesota, and 2 from Wisconsin. So together, currently, we have 15 deacons. That does not count the catechists and the lay catechists. Unfortunately, our 2 priests, 1 decided to leave the priesthood, and now we only currently have 1 one priest. How about the country that we fled? Currently, we don't have any priest nor any deacon in Hmong. Our last one, Deacon, passed away not long ago. In Thailand, we have 4 priests and 5 nuns. In Vietnam, we have 6 priests and 15 nuns. In China, especially in the Yunnan province, they have 10 Hmong priests and 3 nuns. In France, we have 1 priest and currently no deacon. So what's next? What's our challenge? What I would like to challenge everyone is to have faith. Pray for more deacons, more priests, more nuns. Pray for education for our young adults and our youth. And also my challenge to our young adults and youth that the next 50 years we should have more priests, more nuns, and more deacons to help us grow in faith, grow in love of God, and share the love that God has given us, the love that God shares through us. So let us remember, the growth is not as important as the trust, the faith that we have. And I am very proud, very happy to be in one of the Hmong Center in California, Hmong Parish here, that we are grown in faith, we're grown in love, we're grown to depend one another. And this is what I like, and that's why I decided to join God's service, to be a little unworthy deacon. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for this attention. Có cho ý đồ thị tàu. Xin mời đồng chí. Okay.